Hi there, my name is Naveen and I work for Agilemania. Scrum is a framework for solving a complex adaptive problem, and developing software products considered complex work. Software product development usually has high level uncertainty in the requirement, and many a time end users struggle to visualize what they are looking for in the product. Earlier, product team used prototyping method to capture the needs, but user often came back with a lot more changes when the actual product developed. Now, everyone is starting or has already begun with Scrum for Agile software development. Scrum is an iterative and incremental framework based on the empirical process control, where sprints serve this purpose. So, starting with Scrum means the team started sprinting. What's needed to start the sprinting? We need few things to start our first sprint, and I am putting them into two categories: essential elements and acceptable practices. There are three essential elements that I think has to be there. First, a product goal, a goal that describes the future state of a product. A product can be a solution, service, or a product such as software, hardware, or a firmware product like payment wallet, a vacuum cleaner, a movie, or interior design. Second, product backlog. It consists of the work that helps in meeting the product goal. A product backlog is an emergent ordered list of what is needed to improve the product. It is the single source of work undertaken by the Scrum team. Product backlog items that can be done by a Scrum team within one sprint are deemed ready for selection in a sprint planning event. The product backlog should be transparent to allow a stakeholder to make decisions. And third is Scrum team. A Scrum team consists of three roles: a product owner, a developers, and a Scrum master. Product owner maximizes the value of work done by a Scrum team. Developers or development team to develop a quality product. A Scrum master is accountable for a Scrum team's effectiveness. They all work in a time box sprint to produce an increment of done work as per the definition of done. I'm also going to talk about 4 acceptable practices, and I will start with product backlog refinement session. Organize a few sessions to refine product backlog to keep it ready for upcoming 2-3 sprints. It also helps make decisions about design architecture, and you can decompose features in a smaller story and prepare acceptance criteria. A team can come up with estimates to support the product owner in ordering product backlog items. Second, definition of done. A checklist to make increment transparent. A definition of done may consist of all the work that team is planning to do to produce software such as UI design, writing services, performing integration testing, meeting acceptance criteria, and keeping it in releasable state. Definition of done also consists of work that demonstrate commitments towards quality and development practices like TDD, BDD, DevOps, refactoring, and code quality, etc. Third is team agreement. A team is self-managed in Scrum, and self-management need some rules to resolve internal conflicts, stay focused, and be committed towards the work. A Scrum value becomes a great input to draft team agreement using courage, commitment, focus, respect, and openness. While preparing the team agreement, a team also learn about each other and expected behavior in self-management team. Finally, let's talk about sprint duration. A sprint should not be more than a month, better to keep it consistent. What should be the ideal duration for a sprint? 1 week, 2 weeks, or 4 weeks? It depends on uncertainty or ambiguity in the requirement, complexity in doing the work. Better to go with a shorter cycle if there are higher ambiguity and complexity to minimize the risk. Please write your feedback below about this video so I can try to improve my work in future video. Thank you.